Welcome back to Future Cars Updates. Today, we're going to explore a game changer in the world of electric mobility. Introducing the 2026 BYD Motorhome. Yes, you heard that right. BYD, the electric giant from China, known for revolutionizing the EV market, has now stepped into the motorhome segment, and they're making a bold statement. The 2026 BYD Motorhome isn't just a camper. It's a smart, sustainable home on wheels that's designed to offer both comfort and cutting-edge technology for your next road adventure. So let's take a closer look at what makes this futuristic motorhome so exciting. Starting with the design, the 2026 BYD Motorhome features a sleek aerodynamic body that blends modern aesthetics with practicality. The front is dominated by a panoramic windshield and full LED headlights, giving it a futuristic appearance. Large side mirrors with built-in cameras, automatic sliding doors, and a streamlined shape all contribute to a high-tech premium vibe. It's not just about looks either. BYD has focused on making this motorhome highly efficient, and that begins with the exterior design that reduces drag and improves overall range. Under the hood, or should we say, beneath the floor, this motorhome is powered by BYD's latest blade battery technology. It promises a massive range of up to 600 kilometers on a full charge, depending on load and driving conditions. Charging is fast and convenient, with support for high-speed DC fast charging that can get you from 20 to 80% in under 45 minutes. For those venturing into remote areas, the vehicle also supports solar panels integrated into the roof, giving you an extra trickle of power on sunny days. Step inside, and you're greeted by a futuristic interior that feels more like a tech lounge than a traditional camper. The cabin is loaded with smart features, voice-activated controls, a massive central touchscreen for infotainment and vehicle settings, and ambient lighting that adjusts based on time of day. The seating area converts into a cozy bed, and there's a fully equipped kitchenette with an induction cooktop, fridge, and microwave. Plus, a compact but functional bathroom with a shower and composting toilet ensures long-distance travel without compromise. One of the most impressive features is the autonomous driving capability. Using BYD's latest driver assist technologies, the motorhome can manage highway cruising with minimal driver input, making long trips far less tiring. Safety is also a top priority, with 360-degree cameras, collision avoidance, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control, all included as standard. The 2026 BYD Motorhome is more than just a travel vehicle. It's a lifestyle statement for the new generation of digital nomads and eco-conscious explorers. Whether you're planning a cross-country journey or just need a weekend getaway, this motorhome offers the freedom, technology, and comfort to make every trip memorable. And with BYD's growing global network, we can expect this motorhome to be available in several markets worldwide. That's all for today's video on Future Cars Updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming vehicle reveals and futuristic innovations. See you in the next one.